Welcome back another video lecture. In this video lecture we will see the classification of viruses. In first depiction you can see the different microscopes like light microscope, electron microscope, X-rays microscope, as well as nuclear magnetic resonance microscopy or spectroscopy. You can see in this depiction they having different resolving parts as well as magnification parts. Here you can see the after human eye can dissolve the different objects. After that light microscope can dissolve different objects from 2 millimeter to further on or below 0.2 micrometer. Evenly largest virus like pox virus can be seen with the light microscope. Further you can see the below from the 0.2 micrometer electron microscope can be used to see different kind of viruses like evenly 10 nanometer, below to 10 nanometer or to 10 nanometer or below to 10 nanometer can be used X-rays diffraction, or below further below can also be used nuclear magnetic resonance spectroscopy to see the different objects further below or further details. Subviral agents, we will see the subviral agents like satellites containing the nucleic acids and depend the infection with the helper viruses, mean it infect with help some kind of virus, may be encapsulated like satellite viruses mostly in the plants, can be humans, mean can infect the humans. Hepatitis delta virus that infect the humans. If nucleic acid is present without nucleocapsid, this is known as virusides. Viroids unencapsulated mean don't having any kind of encapsid and small circular single stranded DNA molecules that replicate autonomously only in plant cells, like tomato spindle tuber virus is example of this virus. Depend on the host cell polymerase for their replications. No proteins, no mRNA is formed, mean don't have any kind of mRNA, any kind of proteins they form, they don't need to form. Other is prions. Prions is infectious protein that having don't having any kind of nucleic material or nuclear material. Example is bovine spongiform encephalopathy. How viruses are named based on their disease they cause, like poliovirus that shortened the their host, mean weaken their host, so it is called polio. As well as you can see the rabies viruses, the type of the disease which they cause, like murine leukemia virus which cause the leukemia of the blood cells. Geographical locations mean where they did discover, like Sendai viruses, Coxsackie viruses discover from the Sendai. Coxsackie is from Coxsackie region. There is their discoverers, mean the person which discovered the Epstein-Barr virus is Epstein or was Epstein. How they were originally thought to be contracted, like dengue virus, evil spirit cause some kind of evil spirit, or thought some caused some kind of evil spirit. Influenza virus that thought influence the barrier. Combination of the above, you can say the Rous sarcoma is a combination of all of above or all of previous concepts. Virus classification taxonomy from the order to downward. 3 orders now recognized. Family often the highest classification, ends in viridae. Many families having subfamilies like and with viridae. Bacterial viruses referred to as bacteriophage or phage with few exceptions. Examples are Myoviridae genus T4 mean phage 4 or T4 like phage. Type species Enterobacteria phage T4 mean it infect the Enterobacteriaceae family like E. coli. The family Herpes viridae, subfamily Beta herpes viridae, genus is Muromegalovirus. Type species Murine herpes virus 1 or type 1. The classification is Baltimore classification system. You can see based on the genetic contents and replication strategies of the viruses. According to Baltimore classification, viruses are divided into following 7 classes: double stranded DNA viruses, single stranded DNA viruses, double stranded RNA viruses. Positive sense single stranded RNA viruses code directly for protein, mean having messenger RNA. Negative sense single stranded RNA viruses mean complementary of the messenger RNA. RNA reverse transcribing viruses like retroviruses. DNA reverse transcribing viruses that transcribe the RNA from DNA. Viruses classification 1. The Baltimore classification. All viruses must produce mRNA or positive sense RNA, which is also known as messenger RNA, a complementary strand of the nucleic acid. Negative sense, which is complementary of the mRNA or positive sense RNA, also called complementary of the messenger RNA. The Baltimore classification has positive sense RNA as its central point, mean messenger RNA is central point of the Baltimore classification. Its principles are fundamental to understand of the viruses classification and genome replication. It is rarely used as the classification system because in its own rights or having its own rights. Viruses classification second, the classical systems. It is based on the 3 principles. What we are classifying, that we are classifying the virus itself, not the host. The nucleic acid genome is base and they share the physical properties of infectious agents like capsid symmetry, dimension, lipids involved. The virus classification third, the genomic system. More recently, a precise ordering of the viruses within and between the family is possible based on the DNA RNA sequences. By the year 2000, there were over 4,000 viruses of the plants, animals and bacteria in 71 families, 9 subfamilies and 164 genera. In this depiction, you can see the different classifications like RNA viruses can be classified either helical or icosahedral. Helical having only enveloped viruses, you can see in this depiction, and icosahedral having enveloped as well as non-enveloped viruses. Further are classified into double-stranded DNA viruses, double-stranded RNA viruses, which is segmented viruses present in the group 3. Also double-stranded RNA viruses, 2 segmented First one is 10 to 18 segmented, but second one is 2 segmented, which is also present in the group third. The 10 to 18 segmented viruses is having example reoviruses, which is also having the virion polymerase present in their nucleocapsid. The diameter of this virus is 60 to 80 nanometer, and the genome size of this virus is 22 to 27 kilo base pair. Second group is double stranded. I told you earlier that double stranded RNA viruses with 2 segmented, which is present in the group third. Example is Birna virus, also having with polymerase enzyme, or polymerase enzyme is present in this virus, and size of this virus is about 60 nanometer, and the genome size is 7 kilobase pair. Single stranded positive sense single stranded RNA viruses also present in the group 4. You can see in this depiction the positive sense single stranded RNA viruses. Example is calciviriri and picornaviriri, and both don't have any kind of polymerase enzyme, and the size of these viruses, like picornavirus and calcivirus having 35 to 40 nanometer, and with the genome size is 8 kilobase pair, while picornavirus having 28 to 30 nanometer size, and genome size is 7.2 to 8.4 kilobase pair. Other group is enveloped viruses with the icosahedral shape, and it is also positive sense single stranded RNA viruses which is present in group 4. All are positive sense single stranded RNA viruses with single copies of positive sense RNA. Positive sense single stranded RNA viruses are double copies, mean diploids. The examples are flaviviriri. This virus don't have any kind of polymerase enzyme. The size of this virus is 40 to 50 nanometer, and the genome size is 10 kilobase pair. Other example is Toga virus. Toga virus is negative sense, 60 to 70 nanometer in size, and having 12 kilobase pair genome size. Positive sense single stranded RNA viruses which is also enveloped and having 2 copies, which is known as diploid virus, is present in group 6, and example is retroviruses. It is also having polymerase enzymes, and the size of this virus is 80 to 130 nanometer, and the genome size is 3.5 to 9 kilobase pair. Other group is enveloped viruses with the helical symmetry, and here you can see the different groups with the single stranded RNA viruses with the positive sense present in the group 4, like coronavirus with the don't have any kind of polymerase enzyme, and the size of this virus is 80 to 160 nanometer, and the genome size is 16 to 21 nanometer. Other virus is negative sense single stranded RNA viruses which is present in the group number 5. You can see the different viruses, and these example is filovirus or filoviriri, and having positive sense having polymerase enzyme. The size of this virus is 80 cross 790 to 4000 nanometer, mean it is largest virus. Filovirus is largest virus, and having the size of their nuclear material or genome is 12.7 kilobase pair. Other example is negative sense single stranded RNA viruses that is present in the group 5 is rhabdovirus, also having polymerase enzyme. The size is 70 to 85 nanometer or 130 to 380 nanometer. The genome size is 30 to 16 kilobase pair. Other example is negative sense single stranded RNA virus with 3 segmented is Barna virus, also having polymerase enzyme 90 to 120 nanometer diameter in their size, and 13.5 to 21 kilobase pair their genome size. Negative sense single stranded RNA viruses with 8 segmented, also present in the group 5. Example is orthomexoviruses, and also having polymerase enzymes. The size is 90 to 120 nanometer, and the genome size is 13.6 kilobase pair. Negative sense single stranded RNA viruses also present in the group 5 paramexovirus, also having polymerase enzyme. The size is 150 to 300 nanometer, and genome size is 16 to 20 kilobase pair. Last example is single stranded negative sense single stranded RNA viruses with 2 segmented, that is present in the group 5. Example is arena virus, and also having polymerase enzyme. The size is 50 to 300 nanometer, and the genome size is 10 to 14 kilobase pair. In this depiction you can see the DNA viruses. In the previous depiction we have seen the RNA viruses. DNA viruses are classified into 3 groups: icosahedral, helical, and complex. First of all, we talk about the icosahedral. Icosahedral is further classified into 3 groups: enveloped, non-enveloped, or non-enveloped with cytoplasmic. First of all, we talk about the non-enveloped or nicked viruses, like single-stranded linear with positive or negative sense, present in the group 2nd. Example is parvovirus, don't have any kind of polymerase enzyme. The size is 18 to 26 nanometer, mean it is smallest virus. The genome size is 5 kilobase pair. Double-stranded DNA viruses with circular nuclear material is present in group 1. Example is Pavlova virus with negative polymerase enzyme, mean don't have any kind of polymerase enzyme. The size is 45 to 55 nanometer, and the genome size is 5 to 8 kilobase pair. Double-stranded DNA viruses with the linear genetic material and present in the group 1. Example is adenovirus, and don't have any kind of polymerase enzyme, and size of this virus is 70 to 90 nanometer, and genetic material with the size of 36 to 38 kilobase pair. Other group is enveloped viruses, which having 2 group, further divided into 2 groups, like double-stranded circular gapped viruses, which is present in the group 1, and example is HEPA-DNA virus, also having polymerase enzyme. The size of this virus is 42 nanometer in diameter, and the genome size is 3.2 kilobase pair. Other example of this enveloped virus is linear double-stranded linear genetic material in their nucleocapsid and present in the group 1. Example is a herpes virus, don't have any kind of polymerase enzyme. The size is 150 to 200 nanometer, and genetic material, the size of genome is 120 to 200 kilo base pair. Last example of this group is naked or environment with the cytoplasmic double stranded linear genetic material is present in the nucleocapsid, also present in the group 1, and example is aridoviruses, and don't have any kind of polymerase enzymes, and the size of this virus is 120 to 300 nanometer in diameter, and the size of genome is 150 to 350 kilo base pair. Other group which is divided into helical DNA viruses, also having enveloped on their surface double stranded DNA with the circular shape that is present in the nucleocapsid, and example is baculoviruses, don't have any kind of polymerase enzymes. The size of this virus is 60 to 300 nanometer in diameter, and the genome size is 100 kilo base pair. Last example of the DNA viruses is complex viruses, which is also enveloped viruses present in the cytoplasm of the cells, and double stranded linear are linked with the protein genetic material and present in the group 1. Example is pox virus with the positives having with the polymerase enzyme. The size of this virus is 170 to 200 nanometer or 300 to 45 nanometer. The genome size is 130 to 280 kilo base pair. In this depiction you can see the different viruses that attack the different hosts, like vertebrates. The viruses that attack on the vertebrates is showing in the green color. You can is showing in the light blue color. You can see in this depiction different viruses that attack the vertebrates. Invertebrates showing in the form of yellow color, you can see in this pie chart, and plant viruses also show in the green form or green color, and fungi viruses are purple color, and bacteriophage are showing in the red color. You can see the classification like double stranded DNA viruses, single stranded DNA viruses, single stranded RNA viruses with reverse transcriptase enzymes, and single stranded RNA viruses with positive sense, single stranded RNA viruses with negative sense, as well as double stranded RNA viruses you can see in this depiction. Also some kind of viruses with the double stranded DNA reverse transcriptase enzymes also present in this depiction. In this pie chart you can see the different viruses that attack the different hosts. This is all about today lecture. I hope this lecture is helpful for you. Thank you watching for this video or lecture.